Hello guys, Nepal Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we're unboxing the Meross LED light strip for HomeKit. Okay, so this light strip is very good because it is probably the cheapest one, and I don't own any of these yet, but I own some Meross light plugs and they work perfectly well. Even though they're super cheap. This was €30, which is pretty decent for 5-meter light strip that is HomeKit connected. That's a great deal. And this is RGB, so you can set it to the color you want. You can also adjust the color temperature. So yeah, it's great for lighting up any spaces. I'm gonna do something cool with it. I'm gonna put it under my bed so it will shine to the floor, and yeah, just create this kind of nice, not super abusive light for the night when I wake up or whatever. So yeah, really excited to test this out. I also have a sensor actually in my room, and right now I have it connected to the above light, and if I accidentally activate it when I'm sleeping or whatever, it's very annoying. But this hopefully won't be as annoying. And yeah, enough of me talking, now let's go and unbox it. Okay, so here it is. I'll show you the packaging a bit more closely before unboxing it. Yeah, we have the light strip here with this nice color. This is 5-meter, there's also a 10-meter pack. However, there's some flaws with that one, I'll tell you later on. And yeah, we have the energy rating, of course, for the EU, and the Meross logo at the top, and nothing at the bottom, and just some fancy photos on the side. But yeah, now let's unbox it. We need to cut this open. And here it is. There's a HomeKit here for solutions with pairing with HomeKit. Oh, it's only with 2.5 GHz Wi-Fi. Hopefully that won't be a problem. But yeah, first we have this. This is actually what connects to HomeKit. So if I'm not mistaken, the code should be somewhere here to pair it. And yeah, so you connect the light strip here, and this you connect to the AC. Next is of course the AC, which is good that it includes it actually, because yeah, it's very good. And next we have the light strip. The light strip comes here in this, very shiny, not gonna lie. And if we open it, there's the light strip. So the 10-meter pack comes with 2 of these, of course, each one is 5 meters, so it will come with 2. But it only comes with 1 of these, so you really need to have like a 10-meter long wall or whatever to put it. So in my case, I thought that this one would be enough, and I hope it is. So yeah, now this is the unboxing pretty much. Now to set it up, we have glue under the side of this, which is good, and we also have, what are they? These things. Actually, oh, we only have one. Oh, okay, we have this, that I'm assuming that's the same job as this, which are to attach it to something else. So you don't rely only on the glue in the light strip, you also have these attachment points, which is 1 per meter, so that's good. And yeah, but yeah, now enough of that. Now it's time for me to crawl under bed and install it. Okay, so the light is now installed, and as you can see it's nighttime, and when I walk in it turns on, so it's very difficult to record this because it's also a very small space. But yeah, you can see I have my sensor in there, and the light is here under the bed. Now I'll tell you more later, but it was a huge pain to set up. It took me like half an hour literally, but I think the result is worth it. And I can also of course change the color and everything. And well, it's hard to show the camera because also I'm lighting this with an extra light just because otherwise it's not enough. But
you can see that it gives a pretty decent light. Like when the room is only lit up by that, it's actually really decent. I like to use it when I'm reading, just to have some extra light, but that it's not shining into my eyes. But yeah, also this glow where you can see the perfect outline here reflecting on the floor. It's not that noticeable in real life. It's a bit more of a blend, but yeah, this is how it looks at night. Actually, let me show you without any other light. Yeah. But yeah, now let's go ahead and finish the video, and I will tell you a little bit more about how the setup process was.
Okay, so this is the Meross Light Strip. Now, as I was saying, it was quite of a painful setup. I'm not sure why, but I had to download the Meross app. I tried in the Home app several times. I restarted my Wi-Fi. Nothing was working. There's a guide that you get with how to troubleshoot some HomeKit problems. Now in the end, I don't remember how I did it actually, but it just started working. But it did take like easily half an hour. Like you can even see me in the time lapse because I wanted to have the time lapse complete. But then it took me so long, I said like, okay, the time lapse is finishing here. But yeah, now eventually I got it working, and I have not had any issues with it whatsoever after that. So yeah, I guess it was just a setup thing. Now also in the end I didn't use the little things that you get to give it extra support. I just stuck it with the proper adhesive that it gets in the actual light strip. So I didn't use the extra ones. And it's worked great since. Like I actually did it some months ago and I have had no problems with it. But do be careful in the turns. Like do not make it like a very steep 90-degree angle. Leave it some room like to give the turn, like you can see in these images. But yeah, overall I really recommend this light strip. Like I think it's, for the price, it's probably the best one you can get. Now I have Philips Hue, like all the rest of my lights are Philips Hue. There is also one Philips Hue light strip. It's very expensive, I do not have that one. But I don't think I need it, to be honest, because with this one, it's often on sale on Amazon, so I bought it for 30, but sometimes you can find it like 10 meters for 40 or like even for 25. There's often like a sale, so if you're planning on buying it, just leave it in your basket and wait. Maybe I'm sure like at least in 2 months maximum you'll get at least one offer. But yeah, this is gonna be everything for me today. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please leave them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. Also, if you like Apple content in general, you can consider subscribing, because that's exactly what I do. And I also have Twitter and Instagram at New Apple Times. You can find me in both of those, and I post more random thoughts or comments behind the scenes and everything, so you can find it there. Also, if you like this video and found it helpful, please thumbs up, because it really helps me with the algorithm. And that's gonna be everything for today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.